How funny would it be, guys, if we did like a ride-along video with my mom? I don't know how I'm gonna get my mom to get in this car with me, because I don't think she would, but my mom would be terrified, bro. Mom?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nothing. What's up?
Can I take you for a ride real quick in a car?
No.
Real quick.
No, Nick.
Mom, please.
What car is it?
My friend's car.
What is it though? What kind of car?
Just come outside, you'll see it.
I'm outside, baby.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay, bye.
My mom's gonna flip out when she hears this thing. Look at my mom's face, guys, watch. When she just hears it. My mom's gonna trip out. Come on! Huh? My friends. Is she really gonna come with me? There's no way.
What is it?
My friend!
I'm not driving in that.
I stole it. Do you hear how it sounds?
Yeah, it sounds like fucking fast.
Real quick.
No.
We're just gonna slow. I swear I won't go fast.
Yeah, alright.
I won't go fast.
I told you I'm traumatized.
It's okay, Mom. Come on.
No, son.
Just sit real quick. I can't believe my mom's letting me take her for a ride right now. That's crazy. Wait till she sees the seatbelt.
Ugh.
You gotta be on the camera. Oh, that's his camera. My bad.
Oopsie.
Look at this seatbelt. Watch, you'll see. What, Mom?
Please don't do anything there. How the fuck do I put this on?
It's only one strap.
And then?
That's it.
And what is this?
You excited?
No, I'm not excited.
You gotta hold it like this, okay?
Oh my god.
This thing sounds cool.
No, it does not.
How
It
does that
sounds
sound cool?
fucking fast.
It's really fast.
Nick, but you're not gonna
But
go
you gotta
fast.
get your face in it.
I don't put my face in
You have to put your face in it. People wanna see.
Nick, no, don't. For real.
Mama.
Nick,
It's okay.
I'm serious.
I promise.
Nick, I was in 2 car accidents.
My mom just got in a car accident, guys. 2 of them.
2 back to back.
But I wasn't driving.
Freaking traumatized, babe.
You feel the whole car shaky?
Yes.
The engine. Sounds crazy.
Ah, Nick, no,
Mom, I
Nick. Seriously, Nick.
I didn't even step on it.
Okay, I just don't want to. Nick, seriously, Nick. Oh my god, Nick, oh my god! Stop, son! Son!
Mom, isn't that sick?
No!
It's that ass. Mom,
Seriously,
it's
stop, Nick. No, Nick, stop.
That's all.
Nick.
I was gonna do this, y'all.
Okay, no more, because look at there's kids. Oh my god.
I feel like this is a remake of the other one. Are you really that scared?
I am, I swear to God,
Mom,
Nick.
it's okay.
It's not, son.
It's sick though. I bet you if you drove it, you'd be all happy.
Oh, maybe. Let me drive. That's a different
It's
story.
a badass car. Look when you stop at a stoplight. Look at how it shakes.
Oh my
The whole
god.
car.
Ugh.
You know how much money you put into this car?
Oh
Probably put like 30,000 on top of the car.
my god.
Is that a little bit?
Okay, Nick.
A little bit. Mom.
Okay, that's it. Nick.
What? That's it? I'm not even stepping.
Ah! Nick, stop! Ah, Nick!
Mom!
Son.
This is what I do every day.
I know, but I don't want to. Okay, take me back home.
Okay, wait to the back.
Okay, enough.
Okay, I'm done.
Ugh.
I'm trying to listen to the supercharger. It sounds cool. You hear it? The little whine? Everyone likes it.
Ah! Nick, seriously.
What's funny is I have not even fully throttled it yet. That's nothing.
Well, just don't do it, please.
I
Just
won't.
don't.
You're like, yeah,
Yes. Oh my god.
you hear that? Like, the
Yes.
whine? It's a supercharger. This car is badass, Mom. Like, it's crazy.
Oh my god, these people, Nick.
Oh, I see that.
Ah, Nick!
Oh, I barely stepped on it.
No, son, I don't like it.
I would actually step on it. Why are you scared, Mom?
Babe, I just don't like fast cars.
It's so fun. It's adrenaline.
Ah!
all happy because we're home.
Because we're going home.
It's sick though, right?
Yeah, take Lily.
No, shit herself.
Oh
feel the whole
my
car, look.
God. Yes, it's bad here.
And what if a cop goes behind me? He'll pull us over.
Definitely getting pulled over. Okay, kid. No more.
Was that fun?
No.
Well, there goes my mom, guys. I had to give her a ride. Now we're gonna go pick up David. I'm having way too much fun, guys. I'm having way too much fun. Louise, you're crazy. I don't know why you let me drive this. We had to stop at David's house. Let the homies see it. You like it? Bro, I let my mom came with me right now for a ride.
You get it, right?
Bro, she was so scared. She was crying. Again.
This shit's so sick, bro.
This shit is a beast, bro. Perrito wow wow? Perrito wow wow. This shit's a beast. But this shit is crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Like, it's actually insane. But it feels controllable.
You're squishing me, motherfucker. Go sit up. Nigga, my legs are literally like fucking Matilda. There, you should.
We're back at it again.
I feel like I'm gonna get pulled over in this thing. I'm not gonna lie, this car gets a lot of attention. That shit one seatbelt, is it? No.
It's on slicks, bro.
Wait, bro.
Oh my god! Big, bro, this shit doesn't spin.
People get scared.
Bro, this shit hooks him. Hooks.
Bro, this shit's quick.
I know.
Go to the high school. Bro, stop it.
It's fast, bro.
No, but it's spinning now?
That shit's big. And bro, that's traction on. He told me to turn it off. I was like, no, bro, I'm not turning traction off here, car. Rev it. Rev, bro.
We are here.
I don't know, rev it. I'm scared. Are shaky?
Nigga,
Bro,
it's the cam.
It's
the
so
cam.
sick, bro.
Nigga, I love this. This is American muscle
Bro,
right here.
this car's actually pretty sick.
It's clean. He's only for 70. That's not bad. Well, he drives the traction off.
He's used to it.
He's used to his car.
And he
Yeah.
said that if you turn traction off, it actually goes into like a sport mode and goes faster.
You're scared, huh? I know.
Just sick.
This thing is clean.
Bro, the supercharger on this shit sounds so crazy. Crazy! Bro, the supercharger
This
is
shit-
fire, bro. This thing, fuck a foreign. That shit foreign. I want a supercharger.
He owns a BMW and he's already tired of it.
These are cool, but I feel like you just get bored of it.
This
man.
is like,
Hell no, I can get bored of that one. The only bitch whining is that supercharger.
No,
That's the only female I want to whine. That supercharger.
oh
That's
my
it.
God. I just like the cam, bro. That shit's
Yeah,
hard.
the cam is badass. Let me see. Let me get out.
Anyways, that's freaking fun, bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. That was super fun. Shout out to Luis for letting me drive it. But the next video, I'm about to take this thing to a car meet. And I don't know why he's trusting me for that, but and my boy looks fresh with the new haircut too. Look at it.
Shout out Sam the barber.
Now he's gonna take the GTR, guys. And he's never driven one, he said. So this might be the first one. This is gonna be the first one he's driven, so he'll have fun, hopefully.
I will.
I don't know. It's gonna feel slow compared to you.
Nah, bro. I mean, this
It's still fun though. A little bit. It's a dream car. You'll get one.
day.
I want to get one. He wants the GTR. Let's just swap.
I could have bought one, bro, before the market. If anyone wants to buy it, because I think the buyer's getting cold feet, $70K without the drag pack, or 75 if you 75
Want the
with
wheels?
the full wheels. I have the front ones too, but they're just not mounted. Clean titles, never been in an accident.
And FindingNick drove it.
And FindingNick drove it. I can't say the car hasn't been abused and it's driven adultly. It's a race car.
It's a race car for sure.
But it'll hold.
It's built, guys. So if anyone wants one, he's selling it. If this buyer falls through, but it's a badass car.
900 horsepower.
I recommend it, bro. That shit is
I don't
fun.
know how much it makes.
Yeah, less than more.
So I know for a fact they made 770 on E85 and no meth. I put the meth and we tuned it on E50, so the numbers are unknown.
Who knows?
It should make mid 800s, but I'm hoping
God
for 900
damn.
the blower should make 900.
I'm pretty sure this is the fastest car I've driven. I swear. I
so.
think it is. Anyways, next video, guys, is gonna be lit.
And then that's why you put your little outro, the little song.
I know.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 20.